Gardening involves a lot of uncertainties, including dealing with an early frost or killing freeze, which affects your harvest. For many new gardeners, it is quite challenging to decide whether frost-killed plants are still good for consumption or storage. In today's video, I will be talking specifically about harvesting corn that has been killed by a freeze. I planted my second batch of corn on the 4th of July with the hope that my first frost would come way after my average first frost date. Unfortunately, we had a 3-day killing frost way before it usually comes in my area. My corn, which already had ears, turned brown after these 3 days. I harvested this corn, which is mostly glass gem corn. This harvest is intended to be used for decoration and to be saved for planting next year. Freezing temperatures prior to corn maturity can mean yield loss, although the severity of the freeze damage greatly varies based on local climate conditions, crop maturity, and topographical features. In my case, the corn ears were already maturing but not yet dry for harvest. A corn killing freeze occurs when temperatures dip to 32 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours or 28 degrees for minutes. A killing freeze can still happen with temperatures above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, especially in low and unprotected areas when there's no wind. Freezing temperatures more easily damage corn leaves than stalks, but in my case, the whole corn plant has turned brown already. Due to the variable nature of a natural freeze, yield loss estimates are quite difficult to come by. Yield and quality reductions depend on the crop stage when the freeze occurs. To check whether the corn cobs are still good, I peeled some of the corn ears in my garden. The cob looks dry and intact. The colors of the glass gem corn varies, probably depending on the maturity of each cob. Overall, the corn still looks beautiful and ready to be used as a decoration or maybe turned into popcorn. The only question that remains is, will this corn germinate? In my future video, I will do a germination test of this corn harvest. Watch out for that video here in my channel. If you have experienced the same situation with your corn harvest before, don't forget to share with us in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!